to ice or not to ice? That is the question. Let's talk about why some aesthetic injectors don't recommend you ice after lip filler. Let's go. So the first reason would be vasoconstriction. So ice causes a reduction of blood flow because the blood vessels constrict when ice is applied. And some are saying that vasoconstriction can actually prolong swelling and bruising. However, you've also been poked I don't know how many times with the lip filler and you have excess swelling there. Excess swelling isn't good either. That can actually restrict blood flow. So that's kind of a double-edged sword and controversial. Reason number 2, swelling and bruising. Okay, some injectors feel as if the application of ice directly on the lip can actually cause more harm than good. It can actually cause more swelling and bruising. To a certain extent, I do agree with this because you should never put ice directly on any part of your skin, because more times than not, you've had some numbing cream or got a dental block done for your lip filler and you have a compromised sensation. So you would not be able to feel if you were getting a frostbite, which could then contribute to more swelling and bruising or hinder your healing process. So that one I can get with a little bit. Just make sure you have a barrier in between your skin and the ice, like a washcloth or a thick towel. Reason number 3 would be movement of filler. And I can kind of get with this one too, okay? Because when you ice your lips, you do have a tendency to press on the lip, and that physical pressing action can actually move the filler. We want the filler to stay where it's at. We want to keep your nice pout, your nice keyhole, whatever we created. In the first couple days, that is very delicate. The filler is still very soft. So if you do choose to ice after filler, it's best that you're not applying pressure and you're just gently putting the cloth or whatever it is on your lip. So the jury's still out for me on this one. I have had great results with icing, but I also give very strict post-care instructions. The biggest thing is when you go to an injector, please just make sure that they're licensed and they're experienced. If they're experienced, then they know what they prefer and they know what creates the best outcomes for them. To each his own. There's more than one way to achieve a plump pout, and injectors have their own methods of achieving that. Now, I would like to know, what is your experience with ice after lip filler? Tell us about it in the comments.